Our book today is Spring is Here by Will Hillenbrand. Mole woke up. Is it spring? He wondered. He opened the window to smell the air. Sniff, sniff, sniff. He dressed and tiptoed past Bear's room and stepped outside. He felt mud under his feet. Squish, squish, squish. Spring is here, cried Mole. I must tell Bear. Mole rapped on Bear's window. Tap, tap, tap. Snore, replied Bear. Mole tickled Bear's nose. Swish, swish, swish. Snore, replied Bear. Mole played his horn for Bear. Toot, toot, toot. Snore, replied Bear. Oh dear, sighed Mole. Spring is here, and Bear must get up. Mole thought and thought. Then he scampered outside. He gathered, he milked, he churned. He poured, he mixed, he baked. Finally, he shuffled into Bear's room. Wake up, Bear, mumbled Mole. Spring is here. Yum, replied Bear. Then he looked at Mole. Wake up, Mole, said Bear. Spring is here. Snore, replied Mole. Why do you think Mole was so tired all of a sudden? Could it be because of all the work he did trying to wake Bear up for the spring? He is a good friend. Both of these animals were most likely hibernating through the winter, and now that spring is here, it is time for them to wake up. I hope you have enjoyed this book. Have a great day.